C'est tout screw there. Now use that one. Use this.
They're not too short.
Ah,
That's cool, man.
this is perfect. Yeah,
That more want do. The men are run up yet. Front one them.
no, but oh, it looks so strange too.
Oh.
Like you ain't come with a broad wash up on the top.
Where?
Yes, sir.
No.
Right.
Where wash would I go?
It looks strange to me. That, let's see. Yeah,
What you talk? For spread the force.
No, free bushing.
Eh?
Free bushing.
Yeah. That me I say.
Look at that.
But we can't get one wash put pan, you know. You can't get none.
Yeah, but turn out today.
No man, me know man. So what you say a good idea.
Kinda look like.
Pop shot. That mount here, how much bolt hold up this mount? I need to change this, that damper and the transmission mount. Alright, so guys, this brace for the front install. We're not gonna do the one for the back today. We're gonna leave that for a different time. We're gonna have to do a lot of bolting up and pulling down. So we're doing this one now. Gonna stick up the front. I have a strut brace for it, but I have it for years now and it can't work. So I don't know what happened. Alright, so we're going to install the front bumper now, so it can look like a car again. You left off one ice cream, yeah?
You know that rich.
Alright, so that's the front bumper. I have the bumper lights, I just need to find them.
Where they make? I just put them in a drum.
Yeah, they have to put it.